Hey people, what are you doing? Akini menona, gosh, look at my face. My cheeks. Napata mashavu. So, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much, guys. Oh my god, you're subscribing to my channel. We're almost at 500 subscribers. I'm so happy. Am I even doing that? So thank you so much, guys, for all the support and for watching my videos, all the love and all the nice comments and encouragements. I appreciate it all. And yeah, so today we are what are we going to do? We're going to do something fun. So just wait and see. Maybe she's getting engaged. To who? Oh yeah, maybe.
Scratch that.
Yeah, forget that.
We're going bowling.
Woo! Yes! Woohoo!
For some of us, it's our second time.
Yes, we are not
Our
so
first
good.
time being this year, so we're not pros.
I mean, some of us have been bowling in our sleep, so I think that counts, right? Why are you making those faces? This is why you will stay single.
Who said I'm single? I will say I'm single, girl. Bitch,
She's
bye,
no longer single people. Yeah. Paleni. Yeah, so we are in the car right now waiting for Linda. She's taking forever.
African time as well.
Yeah, she was supposed to be here at 3:20. Now it's, let's see, now it's now it's 4 p.m. She's not even here, and she's just lying to us like, yeah, mama's here, but we can locate her. Can you try find her?
She doesn't have a data on, so I can.
Yeah, we would have, caught
Found
her.
her.
Yeah, scamming us, lying to us.
Find my friends, her.
Yes, find my friends always comes through. We always know when she's lying or one of us is lying. Yeah, so yeah, we are going bowling. We hope to take you with us and see who wins, who is very good at bowling. Yeah, so if you like the video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Let's reach 1,000 subscribers. Oh my god, I'll be so happy. It will be the perfect Christmas. Kikasofai! Oh! Oh, basta! Katsodichi! Mamma mia. What is this woman doing? Yeah? Kikatsu! How can I help you? Why are you making me curse on the vlog? Yeah, so guys, ignore her and her madness, insanity. So yeah, let's go bowling and come with us, guys.
2,000 years later.
So finally we are at village market, going to Hello. And the latecomer is there.
Finally. And the slay queen is
Yeah, there's
there.
another slay queen. Oh my god, wait, let me show you the slay queen. You should see how she looks.
Not us.
Yeah, not them. Just wait. Oh god. Yeah.
Hi, girls.
we have still not reached the bowling.
For the email again.
We have still not reached the bowling.
Girls.
I know. People are just shopping. Who even...
Later.
Kenna, we are finally here. Linda, McKenna. Good job. Nice one. Mine is a vlog. Oh, what happened?
No, it's
Hiya, hiya. Hey.
actually.
Nice one. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Oh. This is so fun. You guys, oh my God. Oh my God. So much fun.
Yay, so much fun. I'm winning, guys. I'm winning. Yes. Oh, look at the points. I'm winning.
I'm not vlogging it. There's Rehema and Stella.
Is this one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, McKenna. Yes. 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 Yes.
You get a slash.
Yes.
Just like that. Yay, Mercy cleared all of them.
There goes the scores. Stella is playing the last one. Yeah, the scores there. Stella is leading.
I won.
Look at them. How do you feel after losing? How do you feel after losing? Linda, how do you feel after losing? Rehema, how do you feel after losing?
I won.
There goes, how do you feel after losing? After winning?
What do you mean? I won this game. Look at this cause. I always win. I'm glad.
Oh, B.
Yes. I'm so happy. I won. I've never done this before, by the way. It's my first time. And I actually won. So I'm special.
So, we are ending the vlog. Bowling was amazing.
It was really fun, guys.
Yeah.
You should come actually.
Yeah, and tell them to subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe to her channel, like the video, give it
A thumbs up. Watch
And-
my other videos.
yeah.
Comments. Tell me what you think about our video.
Alright guys, bye.
the next vlog, guys. This was so much fun. I'm happy we came. Woo. Yeah, so see you on the next video.
Yeah.